Up next on MOTV Forecast, the latest on this weekend's rain threat in the Northeast and Mount Olive's 5-day forecast. Also up next, do you know the different types of precipitation that can fall in the winter? We're breaking them down right here, right now on MOTV Forecast. Welcome into MOTV Forecast. It is November 30th, 2018, and let's get right into our weather headlines. A low-pressure system brought much-needed relief for areas in Northern California that were impacted by the wildfires earlier this month. While this rain may be much-needed relief, areas with prominent burn scars have become very prone to mudslides, prompting some evacuations. Aircraft in Chicago likely contributed to the development of a heavy snow band as they flew over the waters of Lake Michigan on Tuesday. The airplanes took a flight through water-laden clouds in below freezing temperatures, which resulted in the formation of ice crystals. This occurs due to zones of locally low pressure along wing and propeller tips that both expand and significantly cool the temperature of the cloud layer, which creates ice crystals. New Zealand is still feeling effects from a massive earthquake that occurred 2 years ago, but not in the way you think. New Zealand scientists say that the earthquake has caused the country's northern and southern islands to move closer to each other by 14 inches. While the majority of the movement between the islands has already been made, some slight movement in the near future is still possible. Now we are going to go to a segment that shows the different types of winter precipitation you could be seeing this winter. As we head into winter, many begin to prepare for snow. The truth is, winter precipitation can get more complicated than just a simple rain or snow. Let's take a closer look at each of the precipitation types. The 4 types of precipitation in the winter are rain, freezing rain, sleet, and snow. This chart shows the temperature of the atmosphere at a given height. The precipitation will be rain when temperatures are above the freezing point of 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius. When the atmosphere above the surface is filled with air above freezing, but the surface is below freezing, the rain will freeze upon contact with the surface, otherwise known as freezing rain. When temperatures are above freezing in the upper atmosphere, but below freezing closer to the surface, it leaves enough time for the rain to refreeze and hit the ground as ice. This is known as sleet. Finally, when temperatures are below freezing from the ground all the way up to the clouds, precipitation falls as snow. Next time you see a winter storm in the forecast, pay attention to the different types of precipitation your meteorologist forecasts. This will put you ahead of the game and more ready for the storm. Well, let's now take a look at some rain in our area right now. We do see some precipitation in the Northeast, and if we take a closer look at the radar, we can see that we do have some snow and rain showers in the area. That will continue for the next couple of hours before tapering off this evening into tonight, where we will see conditions really clear out. But if we take a look at our 5-day forecast, tomorrow afternoon we could be seeing some rain move into our area, and that will last throughout the night, potentially heavy at times, before finally clearing out Sunday morning, where we are expecting some scattered thunderstorms for our day there, and then clearing out as we head throughout early next week. So thank you so much for joining me here on MOTV Forecast today, and have a fantastic weekend ahead.
Keep on, got me singing like na 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 every day's like my iPod stuck on replay. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep on, got me singing like na 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 every day's like my iPod stuck on replay.